Okay, very quickly, I want to show you how to rotate the coins. And so we're going to come over here. I've already downloaded it. We're going to come over here to the coins assignment really quick. And the first thing I need to do is select the coin. The book does say to use the elliptical marquee tool and to basically start right about there. You see I'm on the edge, press and hold, and I'm going to make that ellipse and then move it around by holding the space bar. Now I want to make a quick comment on this. This isn't the way I'm going to do it because Control X, or sorry, Control Z, because it's simply harder. Instead, what I'm going to do is I am going to use the elliptical marquee tool. I'm going to make a selection just like that. Okay. And if you look at the picture in the book, you'll see that they started with the quarter. And then I'm just going to use the magic wand tool set to subtract. Okay. Tolerance, that can be up pretty high. You can see I've got it up pretty high. Remember, a higher tolerance means it erases more. Contiguous is unchecked. And I'm going to go ahead and just click there. Okay, now if you were to really zoom in, you'd see that there is going to be a little bit of a background left. They show that in the book too. The reason we're not getting rid of it is very simply we haven't introduced the tools yet for getting rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead now and select the Move tool. And remember, to duplicate it, I'm going to press and hold the Alt key down, and you see that my cursor turns into that double arrow. Press the left mouse button, release left mouse button, release Alt key, press Alt key, just like that. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to rotate the coin, because if you look in the book, you'll see the coins are pointing in different directions. To do that, I've still got it selected. I'm going to click on Show Transform Controls. Now, I'm going to move diagonally out of one of these boxes, and you see it turn to that bent arrow. When you see that bent arrow, I'm going to press and hold the left mouse button down and go ahead and rotate that thing. Release the mouse button, then click on the check mark to complete the transformation. Don't deselect it yet, though, because you still need. We can leave transform controls on as we do the other Alt. And again, I'll just make a few of it. Press. Come on. Okay, with transform controls on, every time I move it, I'm going to have to do that. So I'm just going to turn that off for a moment. Okay, so you can see how we did this, and you can see that the quarters are facing different directions. Show transform control. Let's go ahead and give this one a turn again. There we go, and check. I'll turn that off because, like I said, duplicating is a little bit easier doing it this way. And that's how you're going to duplicate. Remember the Alt key as you press the left mouse button down and move the object. Do not deselect it. And to rotate it, you're just going to use Show Transform Controls. Really is that easy. Not much else on this one to show you. So I'll come back over here and